Sometimes the smallest upgrades in your kitchen make the biggest difference in your day-to-day cooking experience. One appliance quietly transforms convenience, consistency, and control in ways you may not immediately notice. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we carefully evaluate products so you can make decisions you feel good about. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Toshiba 1.2 cubic foot countertop microwave oven with a removable 12.4-inch turntable, smart humidity sensor, 12 auto menus, mute function, and an easy clean interior. This 1,000-watt microwave is designed for households of all sizes who want precision, reliability, and flexibility in everyday cooking. If you often reheat, defrost, or prepare meals quickly, this microwave is immediately relevant. You can find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. This is more than a simple countertop appliance. It integrates advanced sensor technology, multiple power levels, and convenient preset menus, allowing you to cook more efficiently without constantly monitoring your food. Its sleek black finish, intuitive control panel, and practical features make it a versatile addition to any modern kitchen. Reason number 1. Smart sensor cooking. One of the most notable features is Toshiba's smart humidity sensor. It detects the moisture levels of your food and automatically adjusts cooking time and power. This means fewer overcooked meals, more consistent results, and less guesswork. Whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a frozen dinner, it offers reliability you can feel confident in. Reason number 2. High power with precise control. Delivering 1,000 watts of cooking power across 10 unique power levels, this microwave gives you precise control over your cooking. From gentle warming to rapid boiling, it allows you to tailor each session to the specific dish. The combination of high output and flexible power levels ensures efficiency without sacrificing quality. Reason number 3. Generous interior and removable turntable. With a 1.2 cubic foot interior and a 12.4-inch removable glass turntable, this microwave accommodates larger plates, casserole dishes, and multiple servings. The turntable's easy removal simplifies cleaning and allows for more versatile placement of food items. Reason number 4. Convenient preset menus. The Toshiba microwave comes with 12 auto menus, including popular options for pizza, vegetables, reheating, and more. These presets save time while providing consistent results. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, users frequently highlight how these menus remove the guesswork from everyday cooking. Reason number 5. Easy defrost and one-touch start. Defrosting frozen food has never been simpler. You can defrost by weight or time, and one-touch start options allow cooking from 1 to 6 minutes at full power. This makes quick meal preparation almost effortless while maintaining texture and flavor. Reason number 6. Practical everyday features. Features like mute mode, eco mode, and a clear kitchen timer add subtle but meaningful convenience. The mute function allows quiet operation, ideal for open-plan living or early mornings. Eco mode reduces standby power consumption, making it a more energy-conscious choice. Reason number 7. Easy to clean and maintain. The interior is designed for easy cleaning, and the black finish resists smudges while maintaining a sleek look. The removable turntable and simple wipe-down surfaces make long-term maintenance straightforward, giving the microwave lasting usability. Final verdict. The Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet countertop microwave strikes an excellent balance between performance, convenience, and user-friendly design. While it may not replace a full convection oven for baking enthusiasts, it excels at everyday cooking tasks, reheating and defrosting with precision. It's particularly well-suited for busy households, small apartments, dorms, or anyone who values reliability and versatility in a compact appliance. Its combination of smart sensor technology, power flexibility, and thoughtful design makes it stand out in its category. Take the time to consider your kitchen needs and cooking habits. For those who prioritize dependable performance, convenience, and intelligent features, this Toshiba microwave delivers consistently. Explore it at your pace. The link is waiting below, along with more details in the pinned comment.